expression. Okay. So if KC you are writing, Janab, so
Yes,
it is the square bracket C, C power C, D power D, okay, and divided by this is going to be A power A and B power B, okay, B power B. This is there. If you are writing that is KP, so KP we will write in the form of the partial pressure. So partial pressure, if you are writing that is PC, that is this will be the middle bracket, not that square bracket. Power C and PD power D, okay, and here will be that is PA power going to be A and PB power going to be B. Now then, one thing you know that
yes,
is I told you N by V. N by V is molar concentration, moles per liter. N is the mole, V is the liter. Mole per liter. Mole per liter is also known as active mass. Active mass. And active mass, how we represent? If you are knowing, we represent in square bracket. Yes, yeah, no?
yes, sir.
So how we are going from ideal gas equation? From ideal. After that, I am writing on the top. So from ideal gas equation. What is ideal gas equation?
Sir, PV equal
PV
P
equal to
equal to
nRT.
S by A.
So P is equal to N by V. This is RT. So N by V, N by V, we can write that is P is equal to square
Okay, P
bracket
equal to
RT.
NRT. Yes,
Yeah. So how we
yes,
are doing here? How we are doing? Suppose it is we are having talking about PA. So what we can write? If you are writing that is, then that is A in square bracket and RT will be there. But here what we are having, the power is also there. In case of PA, there is power. So it will be power here and RT also it will take the power. This bracket I am writing here
yes,
is
sir.
power. If I am writing that is PB, power is the B. So here we can write that is in the bracket it is going to be B and RT in the bracket it is going to be B. PC, if you are writing PC, power C, so you can write that is C, here in the bracket C, RT in bracket it is going to be again going to be C. If you are writing that is PD, power D, so we can write that is D, here is the square bracket, it will be small d, and RT, here will also be that we can write that is small d. These values, whatever the values we are getting, where we can place this value. Suppose if I am writing at the place of PA in this equation, here we can write PA power A, then PB power B we can place here, then C value we can place this value here, and PD power D value here. So what will come, Janab? KP is equal to what we can write? I am writing this one.
KP
Uh,
equal to 8. KP equal to A
no, no,
power
no,
A.
not A. K, PC are there, na? So we'll write that is C1. Otherwise, whatever is there, that we need to write. Because C is there, na? So top one C is there, so C value we write this value. So that is C power C and here RT power C. Then we'll write that is D power D and RT power what will be? That is again going to be D. And here if you are writing
Yes,
downside, so it will
by
be A power A
A
and
whole raised to
RT power
A,
A.
RT whole raised to A, B
And
whole raised B, and RT whole raised B.
yeah, thank you very much. So Jana, one thing you can do here, RT and RT are common is there. So no, power get added. Suppose I am having 10 power 1 into 10 power 1. So what the value is 10 power 2? Getting my point? Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
So if I
Yes.
am having RT power C and RT power D, so C plus D will be added. I need to add out. So how we can write here? I am trying to write,
Yes.
space is left. KP is equal to, it is there C power, it will be C, D power, it is going to be D. Here is what is there, A power, it is going to be
A
A,
power 4 raised to a, b
हाँ,
power 4 raised to
B.
b.
Then what is
Yeah.
left? RT. I will add. Here it is square means I added out. Or also you can write 10 power 1 plus 1. Simple. This very power get added. When you multiply the number, power get added. So here there is nothing to means multiply is there. So power we are adding. C plus D. It is added. And then again downside it is again going to be RT and A plus B. See, here one more thing is there. One more thing is there. C power C, D power D, and B power B. This value is equal to what value? This total value is equal to what? Here. C power C, D power D, A power A, B power AB. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. This C power C, D power D, A power A, B
Yes,
power
sir.
B is equal to
Yes,
what?
sir.
KC, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what I am writing, Janab, here you see. KP is equal to KC. Can we write KC?
Yes, sir.
KC. And I am writing RT. Okay. And here is RT. Again, you see. C plus D minus A plus B is equal to, I am writing delta NG. I am writing delta NG. So here I am writing that is
Yes, sir.
KPKC RT power, you can write that is delta NG. This is our final equation. KP is equal to KC RT power delta NG.
Yes, sir.
Are you be able to understand this?
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. So let me check if any of the problem if I'm getting, we can do here.
Favorite pastime.
Yeah. It's given there. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm writing the question one. If KC, the question is there. If KC value is how much they are saying?
Hello?
KC value is for some equation they have given. KC value for
Yes.
KC value for PCl5 gas giving rise PCl3 gas plus Cl2 gas. Okay, is
Yes, sir.
KC value they have given. How much the value they have given here? 4 into 10 power minus 2. 4 into 10 power minus 2. Then find Kp value. They are asking that is Kp value. Option they have given 1.77 atm. Okay, 1.77 atm, 2.77 atm, 3.77 atm, and last one is 4.77 atm. So we need to calculate. How can you calculate A? This is B, C, and D. R value is given. R value is that is 0.0821. At temperature they are giving, what temperature they have given? 540 Kelvin. Okay, this value they have given 540 Kelvin. So they are asking the answer. So I know Janab, Kp is equal to formula is there. What? Kc RT power delta Ng. So first of all, we are going to calculate delta Ng. Okay. So delta Ng study, I told you how to calculate delta Ng is equal to number of what? Number of gaseous product, GASEOUS. Number of gaseous product minus number of gaseous reactant. Number of gaseous reactant. Gaseous reactant. Now you see the equation. This is also gas. This is also going to be gas. This is also going to be gas. So how many mole are there? Here nothing is there means 1. Here also nothing is there means 1. Here also nothing is there means 1. How many mole of product is there? 1 mole PCl3, 1 mole Cl2. So total will be what? That is 2 mole. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How many mole of the reactant is there here?
Sir, over here.
Uh, see, see the equation PCl3, PCl5. This is PCl5. This is the gas. It is the reactant. Considering this is reactant, then it is converting into PCl3 plus Cl2. They are the product. They are going to be what? Product. So Janab, here you see reactant is how many are there reactant? One
One
Cl.
reactant, two products.
So answer is going to be how much? One is coming 1 mole. Yes. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now,
So, sir, what will be the option?
option you tell me. You tell me.
1.77.
1.77 is correct answer. How you got the answer? Very good. You place the
Yes.
value. Huh? So simple
Yes,
it is.
sir.
Kp is equal to it is there, na? So 4
Yes.
into 10 power minus 2 and R value 0.0821, T value 540 Kelvin. So if you are multiplying 1.77 ATM, pressure unit is ATM. So that is what you got. That is correct. Okay, like that some problems comes in the exams that you need to keep in mind. So wait, I am checking one more question if you can do. Quite better question is there. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question they are saying at equilibrium. See the question. At equilibrium, a mixer contained, you know, a mixer contained 0.0235 molar CO2. At equilibrium, a mixture contains 0.0235 molar CO2. Okay. Then they are saying 0.399 molar. They are saying what is the 0.339 molar H2. 0.399 molar. It is H2, right? And 0.115 molar CO. This is there, okay? And 0.210 molar H2O. So many things are there. So many H2O. Okay? They have given. Calculate Kp. Calculate Kp. Okay? Calculate Kp they are asking. Temperature, if you are writing temperature, they have mentioned that is 273 Kelvin, and R value they have given how much? 0.0821. Okay. Anything power, note. I am writing the note. Anything power, A power 0. A power 0 means its value is 1. Okay. 100 power 0, 100 power 0. If 100 power 0 is there, its value is 1. Anything 1000 power 0, 0 means its value is 1. Simple. Okay. Now we are supposed to write the equation. Okay. So when you are doing the solution, options also given. Can I give you the options?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here is 0.25. I think something I wrote it become option is there 0.25, 0.45, 0.95, 0.1. This is the Kp value. Now, how can you do? Here I am going to do solution. So I am having CO2
Yes, sir.
plus H2. If you are reacting, it will give CO plus H2O. This is the reaction. Okay. CO2
Yes, sir.
H2O. Okay. Is it balance? Two oxygen, two oxygen.
Yes.
Balance. This is the gas and
One carbon. No, sir.
see this balance.
Yeah, there are two oxygens, two hydrogen, yeah, one carbon. Yeah, so it's balanced.
So which option you are saying?
Wait, sir, I need to calculate.
Okay. Kc I am writing. Kc, firstly we need to calculate Kc, then we can calculate Kp. So
Yes.
Kc, if you are writing that is square bracket, it is will be CO and then it will be H2O divided by it will be that is CO2 and it will be that is H2. This is CO. If you are calculating how much are their CO value, directly I am taking from here. CO value is how much? 0.115 into H2O value. H2O value, how many are there here? 0.210. 0.210.
Sir, CO?
CO value here we mentioned, na?
Yeah,
CO.
0.0. Okay, CO and H2. Okay.
CO2 value you see here is there 0.399, 0.399, and H2 value they have given here. And a mixer contain. No, this is wrong. This is the CO2 value 0.0235, and here is how much is there 0.399. This value are there. So if you are solving this enough, this if you are solving, let us try to solve it out. How much is coming? You also try to solve. I'm also solving.
Sir, it will come as 0.4100361702.
Kc, no, it is coming how much? Kc is coming 0.25. It is coming
Sir,
like that.
total value I'm saying 0.41.
No, they're not coming. Wait, let me do the point.
Wait, sir.
115 multiply
0.115
210.
multiplied by 0.210.
0.02.
It will be 0.0245. 415.
Okay. And what is the divided by?
Okay, and 0.0235 multiplied by 0.399. It will be 0.00937.
So if you are dividing this one, it is coming how much? 0.0241.
0.0241 divided by 0.00937. It will be 2.57.
Yeah. So it is coming 2.57 like that, na?
Yes,
Okay.
2.5720.
Here some option I mentioned wrongly. Here is.
No,
Here is
sir, all options are incorrect.
no. It will be. Here is 2.5 is also there, one option. So what I am going to do, Janab, here you see. Kp is equal to what are there? That is Kc, RT power, that is how much is there? RT we calculated? No. So how to calculate R delta N we have to calculate. Delta N. Firstly, you calculate the value of delta N. So here we can calculate
Sir,
delta
what is
N.
the value of delta N?
Delta Ng. Delta Ng how to calculate? Number of gaseous product, na? Gaseous product minus number of
gaseous
reactant. Okay. So gaseous product how
number
many are
of
there?
reactant. Okay, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, which is 2.
Jana, where is 4? Here is 1 mole H2, 1 mole CO. So that is 2 is there. H2
Sir, number, okay, 2 minus 2, which is 0. Okay,
2
sorry, sir.
minus 2 equal to 0.
So
So
it will be 1.
0 only. Kp power equal
Yeah,
to Kc and RT power that is
equal
0.
to 0.
Anything value 0. Anything
1.
which value is 0, it is value is how much? 1. So simply
1.
what I am writing, Kp is equal to Kc value we calculated 2.57 into RT. RT value 0 means what? RT value, RT power 0
Kp is
means
0.
1. So it is
Yeah,
so here we have to
it
multiply
is
by
2.5 only. Option
so,
D.
yeah, Kp is equal to 2.5 only. So this is the answer will be option number D. This way. You want to do some more problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me check out if any problem is there in the book. Wait 1 second, please. Keep it. Yeah, got. Little bit tough problem they have given. I mean, can I erase this, Janab? Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I am erasing, I'm giving you one problem here. You try to solve that problem. Yeah. So if I am writing the question here, the question they are saying. So question is there, calculate Kp. They are saying calculate Kp. Calculate Kp for the following reaction. For the following reaction. For the following reaction. Where is the screen? For the following reaction. So what is the reaction here they have given? Okay, at 298 Kelvin, at 298 Kelvin. Kc they have given.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kc they have given.
Hmm.
Kc is equal to, it is there 2.41 multiplied by 10 power minus 2. Okay, and reaction they have given CO plus 3H2. This is again gas. This is going to be gas, reversible. It is CH4. This is going to be gas plus H2O. This is again going to be gas. Okay. So we know the option they have given. A number 4.35, 4.03. Sorry, 4.03 multiply by 10 power 5. V is equal to 4.04 into 10 power minus 5. No, minus 6 is there. Minus 6. C is there. 4 into 10 power minus 5. And D is there. 4.9 into 10 power minus 6. So like that we have to do. First of all, we are writing the equation. Kp is equal to what the equation comes? Kc RT power delta N. This is the equation. Delta Ng. So let us try to calculate delta Ng. So number of gaseous product. This is what? Number of gaseous product. This is what?
Product.
Number of gaseous product minus number of gaseous reactant. Number of gaseous reactant. Okay. Number of
Yes,
gaseous
sir.
product minus number of gaseous reactant. So how many product are there here? Nothing is there means 1. Here is also going to be 1. Here 3 already there. Here will be 1. So here we can write number of gaseous product. So product is how much? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 minus gaseous reactant. How many are there? 1 plus 3. So if you add, so that is 2 minus 4. It is going to be what? Minus 2. Minus 2 mole. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Janav, if you are doing this, then what the answer is going to come, right? So Kp is equal to Kc value they have given a Kc value here they have given already. I am writing this value 2.41 multiplied by 10 power minus 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Into R value they have given. R value we know R value is always 0.0821. So I am writing here R value 0.0821. T value, you know, temperature they have given 298. 298. Power will be how much? Minus 2. Can we write the power minus 2? Yes or no? Janab, tell me. Yes? Hello? Janab, are you listening? Hello? Are you listening? Hello? Hello, Janab. Hello? Hello, Janab. Are you listening? $598.57. So its value is coming how much? 0.004. Okay. 0.004.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, yes, yes.
Maybe mic issue, sir.
Okay, okay. So this is coming, this is value. I am calculating the answers only. So you can also calculate, it will come. So here is 0 point, it will come. How much will come? We are placing the value, the decimal this side. So it will come 0 point, no, 4 point something I am coming. Here you see. Here is
Yes, sir.
4 point. Round you can do 4.0 is there na 0 4 is there na you can mention here is 0.4.03 into 10 power 5 minus 5. So option will be coming, option is coming A. Can you do this one?
Yes, sir.
Can you be able to understand this?
Yes. Yes, sir, I understood.
Okay, okay. Okay. If you want to write, you can write, Jana.
Yes, sir, just wait a second, sir, please. Amrit Rao? Adel? Adel? Adel?
Done?
No, sir.
Write down, write down. Write completed?
No, sir.
Okay, write down slowly, no problem. If completed, let me know.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
I'll let you know.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm changing this one topic. Okay. If you want to do the problem, I will share the problem. Okay. So the method
Yes,
you
sir. You
understood.
send me some problems.
Method you understood. Now we are going to do the some other things. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
what can be the other? Mm, Heading is this one, equilibrium constant. This is only for NEET. Only for NEET. This is important one.
Neat. Yes, sir.
Important. Equilibrium, equilibrium for different type of reaction. Different types of reaction. Different types of reaction. This is our heading. Equilibrium
Yes.
constant for different types of reaction. So how will be the equilibrium constant if you are writing this one? Equilibrium constant for different types of reaction. So suppose if the reaction is, if reaction is reverse, okay? If, you know, if reaction is reverse, if reaction is reversed, if reaction is reversed, okay, case one is there. If
Yes.
reaction is reversed, so we will calculate Kc dash. Reaction is reverse means Kc dash. So what will be there if
Yes.
suppose A and B is there? So if they are asking, they are asking that is reverse equilibrium B to A. They are asking. So what will be there for reversing for B to A? For B to A, how to calculate? Kc dash is equal to 1 upon Kc. That will be the okay, Kc dash is equal to 1
Yes,
upon
sir.
Kc, or that is Kp dash is equal to 1 upon Kp. Okay, this is our very important. If B to A to B, you know Kc. A to B means Kc. A to B means Kc, but B to A means Kc dash, right? Kc will be there given, and then you can calculate. If divide the equation by 2, what the character number 2? If the equation, we are saying if the equation divided by 2, if the equation divided by 2, if you are dividing the equation by 2, so what will be there? Kc dash is equal to Kc power 1 by 2 or Kc dash is equal to root of Kc. 1 by 2 means Kc only.
Yes, sir.
Or Kp
Yes,
dash
Kc.
is equal to Kp dash is equal to we can write that is Kp power 1 by 2 or we can write that is root of Kp. This is you need to write this one because the numerical will come on this. Writing. Writing there now. Completed writing. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Audible. Did you write?
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
sir.
You need to write. You need to write this. You need to write this.
Yes, I am.
Can I erase?
No,
Can I
sir.
erase?
Just 1 minute. Oh, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Now we can.
Okay. 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 Let us go. So how we can do some other problem? Let us try to do. Third point, you know, third. So if equation is multiplied by 2, if equation is multiplied by 2, MUL multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. So KC dash we have to write that is KC square and KP dash will be that is what that is Kp square. Last one.
Yes.
Product of equilibrium. If we are saying product of equilibrium, if anyone is asking product of equilibrium,
Yes,
product
sir.
of equilibrium. So will be Kc dash is equal to K1 into K2. This will be there. Or and Kp dash is equal to K1 into Kp1 into Kp2. Kp2. This we need to memorize. This we need to memorize. These are the formula. We need to memorize this. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir. You can.
Do written?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are going to do some of the problem based on it. Okay, you also try to solve it out.
Yes.
Okay. Let me try to write down the problems here.
Yes, sir.
Here is the question. Equilibrium constant Kc for the reaction N2 plus 3H2 is given. How much is 2NH3 is 2 into 10 power minus 2. What is question they are asking? What is value for Kc for what is value for Kc dash of reverse reaction? Reverse reaction 2NH3, it is going to be what? N2 plus 3H2. They are also going, they all are the gas only. Here is the gas. This is also going to be gas. Here is also going to be gas. This is going to be gas. Here is going to be gas. This is going to be gas. So
Yes, sir.
try to solve it out.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So Janab, I told you now, this is the same equation is this is the reverse equation. This is the reverse equation. Reverse equation.
Yes.
Okay. So reverse equation, what is Kc dash is equal to 1 upon Kc? Yes or no? Yes or no? This equation I
Yes,
wrote
sir.
here. You can see, you can check here. Oh, I erased that. Yeah. Kc dash is equal to, for reversing equation, Kc dash is equal to 1 upon Kc. So what will be there? Kc value they have given, you know? Kc is how much? 2 into 10 power minus 2. So we are writing 1 upon 2 into 10 power minus 2. So here what will be the answer? Tell me the answer. Option is given. Option I am writing here. 50 Kc dash is equal to how much? 50 Kc dash is equal to 100. Kc dash is equal to 150. Kc dash is equal to 250. Okay. This is option A. This is option B. This is C, and this is D. So try to solve.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Fifty, sir.
Completed. Done. Which
Answer
option
is
is coming?
50. A.
Huh. How much answer is coming, Zainab? Simple na, it's simple. 1 by 2, 10 power minus 2 is there, it will go in the numerator. So 10 power 2. So it will be, that is 1 into 100. So 100 by 2 means how much? Answer will be 50.
Yes, sir.
Kc dash is equal to, our answer is 50. Can I give you some more problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. These are right and big. Let me write the question here. What is the question? Equilibrium constant Kc, they are saying equilibrium constant, equilibrium constant, equilibrium constant Kc for the reaction. They have given for the reaction H2 plus I2. This is going to be gas. Here is going to be gas. It is giving 2Hi. This is going to be gas. Is 49. Okay. What is the value of Kc? They are saying what is value of Kc? Find the value of Kc dash when. Find the value of Kc dash when. What we can write? When equation is divided by 2. When equation is divided by 2. Equation is divided by 2. So they are saying H2 1 by 2 plus I2 1 by 2 reversible. They are saying HI. So this is half reaction. So K option I am telling you. Option A is option number 7. B is option number root of 49. Option C they have given, that is both A and B. Both A and B. And option D is there none. None of these. Please tell me the answer.
Yes, sir. So, sir, wait.
So today no party in your house?
There, sir.
Is there a New Year party, na?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Enjoy the party. I hope that is next year you are going to make a seat in your AIMS. Next year you are
Yes,
going to
sir.
work hard, huh?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Then, are you trying?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I am also writing AC dash, no, for reverse reaction. For equation, no, for equation divided by 2. What we write? Divided by 2. Okay. So, what the formula is coming, you can check back. If the equation divided by 2, so Kc dash is equal to root of Kc. So here what we will write? Root of, so it will be Kc dash is equal to root of Kc. So root Kc value they have given. Kc, here you see. What the value they have given? Here you see. Kc, this is the value. Kc for the reaction is how much? 49. So we can write now Kc dash is equal to root of 49. So Kc dash is equal to what is value of root of 49, Jana?
7. Both A and B, sir.
So that is option number A. Option number B
A
is
and
both correct.
B.
So correct option is option
Yes, sir.
number C. Option C.
C.
Okay. Can I give you some more question or you will study tomorrow?
No, sir. You can give me more.
Okay. So wait. Yeah. What is the question? The equilibrium constant for question they are saying Kc for they have given reaction Kc for SO2 plus half O2 giving rise SO3 to 5 into 10 power minus 2 atm. Kp, this is not Kp, Kp, this is Kp. Okay. Kp. Then they are saying calculate the equilibrium constant. No, calculate the equilibrium constant for equation reversing and multiplying. Reversing and multiplying by 2. Reversing and multiplying by 2. Reversing and multiplying by 2. That is very tough. Firstly, they are reversing, then multiplying by 2. Okay, the little very tough. Okay, and they have given 2SO3. They have multiplied by 2. So they are getting 2SO2 plus O2. So see, multiply means square. Multiply, multiply. Wait. Multiply means square. If you are multiply, so it will be square. Reverse, if you are reversing, reverse, so it will take root. Okay, so what we can do here, divided with, so okay, what will be there Kc dash. Kc dash is equal to root, okay, Kc power 2. This is will equation will form. Okay. Firstly, you see reverse. If you are reversing means what will be there? Here see reversing equation just now we do. What is the reversing equation here? 1 by Kc. Sorry, 1 by Kc. Yeah. Reverse means 1 by Kc. Reverse means
Yes, sir.
1 by Kc. So why the 1 by Kc and multiply by 2 means what is happening? Divide by 2, okay, multiply by 2. I think I erased that one. If you are multiply by 2 means that is going to be square. Okay, so this will be the value. So option I am telling you, please you tell me the answer. So reverse means divide. Reverse means divide. Reverse, if you are reversing the equation, it will go in the denominator. So here is option they have given 4 into 10 power minus 2, 4 into 10 power 2, 4 into 10 power 3, 4 into 10 power 4. This is the A, this is going to be B, this is going to be C, this is going to be D. Now we are going to do the solution. Yeah. So this equation, firstly you see this is multiply by 2. Yes or no? Here is multiply by 2.
Yes, sir.
And then they are saying reverse. This is the reverse. SO3 here is product, here become reactant. So Kc dash is equal to what will be there? 1 upon Kc. And since multiply by 2, so square. So 1 upon Kc value they have given. So 5 into 10 power minus 2. So we will multiply. So this C, what will be the value? Here. So 1 upon 5 into 5 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2. Yes. So 1 upon 5 5 is 25, 25 into 10 power minus 4. So 1 upon 25 into 10 power 4 is the numerator. 4 is going to be numerator. So what will be there? So 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 25. So 25 4 is 100. So 4 into 10 power 2. This is the answer. 4 into 10 power 2. Our correct answer will be option number B. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Sir, 1 minute. Just let me note it.
प्राइमरी क्या भगा ले तो बेटा क्या भगा ले गाड़ी में लड़ाई
Yes, sir, done.
Can I give you some more problem?
Sir, as homework, you do.
Okay, I'll give you in the form of homework. So tomorrow we will study some other topic, no? Same chapter.
Sir will study other.
What?
Sir, before that, you just revise once this topic.
Which topic? Which topic?
This one, yeah, this one.
Okay. See, for if equilibrium constant, see equilibrium constant for forward reaction, for forward reaction is Kc. For forward reaction is what? That is going to be Kc. Then for reverse reaction, if you are reversing, then for reverse reaction, Kc dash is equal to what will be there? 1 upon Kc. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This is the point number 1. Point number 2. If equation is multiply by
Yes,
2,
sir.
if equation is multiply by 2, multiplied by 2, then what will be there, Janab? Kc is equal to Kc power 2. So multiply will go to square, right? And if you are reversing, it will go divide. Point number 3. If no, if multiply, they are saying product of two equilibrium. Product of two equilibrium. Product of two equilibrium. Product of two equilibrium. What will be the product of two equilibrium?
Equilibrium.
So Kc dash is equal to, that is K1 into K2. Right? This is third one. Last one you see. If divide by 2, if divide by 2, okay, so if divide by 2, then what will be there? K divide by Kc, okay, Kc dash is equal to Kc power 1 by 2, okay, Kc power 1 by 2, or
Yes, sir.
or Kc dash is equal to 1 by 2 means root of Kc, or that is the case. And last case, case 5, that is what we apply in the last question. If reverse, then multiply, reverse then multiply by 2, then what we can write? Reverse means it will go denominator. Kc dash is equal to 1 upon Kc, and this will be square. So it is tough.
Yes, sir.
It is tough. Okay, tomorrow again I will teach you. I'll give you some problem on this also.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. So all the best for New Year, Janab. Enjoy New Year, and
Thank you, sir.
hope you will do great things in New Year, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.